It's a dream for agency.
Easy Brizy.
We scaled 3 times more. You don't need a developer.
Brizy is the first multi-platform website builder.
Extend this functionality, just click create and it's already done. Hello, my name is Nicolai Mihailiuc. I'm a founder of CreateGo agency. We are doing marketing and digital advertising for more than 1,000 clients in this past, how many years? Already more than a decade. We've tried to find a solution for our problems and we found Brizy 5 years ago. So I'm happy to share with you a journey we had with them.
Hi Nicolai.
Hi.
And thank you coming here and sharing your experience with Brizy.
Yep, it was a good journey for me to use Brizy. You build websites really with a breeze and we are thrilled to use it.
Exactly, that was the point when we chose the name, Easy Brizy. Let's start discussing with your challenges and what exactly you do and how you choose Brizy.
You know, agencies have different struggles and different seasons of their journey. Sometimes you need more clients to have some profitability. Sometimes you need more designers. Sometimes you need some developers for some projects and the different struggles. One of mine was to optimize the process of building websites. We started with WordPress, all these themes and plugins and so on. So we tried to automate this thing to be more easy, be easy to do this. But again and again, we have these struggles. Install the WordPress, configure the hosting, put all the plugins and so on. It takes a couple of hours at least, and you need a developer for this job. And when we saw how Brizy, like, hey, in 1-2 clicks you have a website and it's amazing and you don't need a developer for this journey, we thought, okay, maybe this is a way, at least for these clients. We have some simple projects and some simple marketing campaigns. And we tried a second website, third website. We saw how easy it was. And we thought, okay, but how to do with WordPress, because sometimes you need more complicated websites and you have this integration with WordPress, and if you want to migrate to WordPress, let's do it. So if client wants some custom code or something, we can do it on WordPress. But most of the time we're very happy with landing pages and websites we built on Brizy Cloud without any WordPress.
Actually, Brizy is the first multi-platform website builder because we have for WordPress, for Cloud and for Shopify now. And this is very important because, as you said, you may have clients that want WordPress, so you don't need to learn 2 different builders, and your team will be able to create websites on different platforms. Since you're using Brizy, how this impacted your growth?
You know, we've tried to find a way to optimize all this work we have. Struggles with WordPress, configuring everything. And we thought maybe it's a builder or something more easily. And back then, 5 years ago, 3 years, somebody tried, but it's failed. So we found how Brizy will help us to optimize. We didn't want to grow the team. More people, it means more managing people, more work to do with the people. We want to keep the team smaller, but increase the efficiency. When we tried Brizy and learned how to use it, was very amazing. You need a couple of hours to install it on WordPress and so on to do this, and you need a developer to do this. It takes time. Time means money, and it means you need to comply with all the limits you have. With Brizy, because it's easier to do it, and it can do it faster, with the same team, we scaled 3 times more the capacity of a team. With the same one developer, he now can manage and deploy or to take care of some struggles more easily. But actually, you don't need a developer. On Brizy Cloud, you don't need a developer. We keep the developer because we have also some custom code, some bigger projects, and we need some development expertise. But a simple designer who have the skills to look for things, you don't need 3 employees. You just need one who will cover everything, because Brizy will do it. You don't need to learn hosting, you don't need to learn all these DNS settings and everything. Certificates, and the certificate fails, and you have unsecure website, and you have all these plugins and the conflicts and the security updates. No, you don't need everything. You just need to learn how to click create and choose a template. Now with AI, just click create and it's already done. So it increased 3 times the profitability, because for the same price, with the same team, we can do more work and more pleasant to our customers. Customers are more happy back then, because now we can offer them more custom things and special focused on some details they need and change. And also, you see, the productivity, I will give you an example. Maybe some of our agencies have this experience. When you want a contact form, you need to have, of course, WordPress and everything struggles. You need to install the contact form. You need to configure the contact form. You need to you need a little bit of skills on how to do it. In Brizy, I need a contact form. Click, choose the contact form, say first name, second name, email, message, send. Where to send? To this email. Done. In 1-2 minutes, it's done.
Yeah, and also you can integrate with other email campaigns, with
yes,
email providers, automations.
Exactly. I don't know, all these tools you are providing, and also what you are providing. This is a very interesting thing with APIs and with webhooks. So you can extend this functionality a lot, and you can charge for this functionality, of course, to your client. Hey, do you need a CRM integration or something like this? It can be done. But with WordPress, with hostings, you configure all these forms and you see it's not sending. Why is not sending? I need to get to the hosting. Why is not working? And so on. All this configuration, sometimes you get lost on all these things. It's a great tool for agencies, and they need to use it because, of course, they will increase the profitability. Of course, they will increase the speed. Of course, they'll need less people, and even onboarding a new guy or new designer, it's easier to do with Brizy because it's all these materials available and they can learn it fast.
Why did you choose Brizy compared to other competitors?
You see, one of the features, yes, was important with WordPress, but it was in past. Now it's not so important because I see how easy and how powerful your builder is, and so Brizy is our main builder to do more advanced designs for the client, and we do this in a couple of hours. If the designer stays and focused on this task, in a couple of hours, in a couple of days, he can build a website ready to go, ready to deploy, ready to show to the client. And we are happy to give the client to review it. These struggles, hey, change this, and in our platforms, it's hard to do it. You need to find where it is, it breaks, and you have some functions where it's very powerful. Maybe people who will listen now because they don't know Brizy, they don't know these features. Global styling and all these features, it's one button, but if you know this button, it will save you a lot of time. You just make one change and it applies to every page.
And by the way, we are improving this type of features because this is exactly the main goal, to help agencies to build the website faster. And if you need to review, change some color, some style, you can do this in few clicks. So
yes,
this will help.
Client decide, I will change my logo. Changing logo, it means changing the whole style of a website. Now we don't have this struggle. We even say, until you build the logo, until you have your logo, we'll make the website. And sometimes they have their designer and they're doing their logo, and we make the prototype and show them. They're happy about, and when we have a logo, they have colors, fonts, styling, and we apply this in 5 minutes. The website can be adjusted to their new styling and new colors, and it's not a struggle. And they're happy about this because we can move faster. And many clients choose us. It's our competitive advantage because we move fast, really fast.
We launched recently Brizy AI, where you can generate a website in 15 seconds.
Yeah.
And did you try it? And because this is exactly for agencies to build very fast prototypes.
I tried and I saw the potential to showcase to our clients different styling, different options, and again a competitive advantage, because when you sign a contract with your potential client, you need to agree on some terms, and if it's bigger contract, like how many designs, reviews, and so on. With this builder, with this AI design tool, I can offer him 3 design choices or 5 design choices for different sections, different pages, different ideas. And when they compare to our competitors, we are with advantage. With the same price, we can offer more. And it's not a problem. In a couple of seconds, I have different styles, and I can regenerate some design if I don't need the styles. And I see the potential you are improving this.
Exactly.
And I can offer to my past clients, because already we are 5 years with Brizy and the design is old. 5 years or 4 years ago we built it. For him it's a value, for us it's a value, and we have a happy customer, we have some profits in our pocket, and it's amazing.
Yeah, we added the Google business into AI generation, so now you can just search for a business and it will take data from Google business, like reviews, contacts, address, and will generate the website, so you can find a restaurant who has an 10 years website, outdated website, and you will send via email 3-4 designs with their content, with their reviews, and this will of course will help to get the attention and get more clients. This is the main idea of this AI website builder.
It will speed up a lot.
Yeah. What is your preference between WordPress and cloud, and why?
Back then we built it on WordPress from 2009 we use WordPress, and we see how powerful, how interesting it is. But for most of our clients, for all these years, they actually don't need all the plugins, all the features. If you can build a good design, good website, they don't need WordPress. So we prefer cloud for most of our clients. And because we have this interview now, I thought maybe we build it 100 websites in Brizy Cloud. When I start counting, I get lost on 200 and something because we built it a lot of websites on Brizy Cloud for many clients, many industries, many countries. I can count on my hand how many of these clients decided to upgrade to something more custom code. And in this case, we'll migrate to WordPress because it's easy to migrate and it's no hassle. But also you have this price and expenses to cover for custom code. And then we compare to how the price we build it on Brizy Cloud, because we offer good prices, good advantages on this one, but on custom code, of course, it's more expensive. And some clients decide, okay, it's worth the cost, we'll do custom code. And but for most of them, it's enough. Brizy Cloud, I can give them link to access to change their information. I can lock the design so they will not break the design. So they just change their contact information or just add some information for their website. But if they're more skillful and they want to change the design, one click I can give them design role and they can do it.
It's easy for them to change and not break anything because it's very intuitive. It's most intuitive page builder, I would say, based on users' feedback. And so WordPress is more needed when you want to custom code.
Yes.
Because I will say plugins, it's not that big deal right now because you can, first of all, you don't need so much add-ons and you can add it via embed or other.
Yeah, we use embed all the time. Live chat, I don't know, something.
Exactly. So you have all these features anyway, and the most important, I would say, in Brizy Cloud is security, and this is, let's say...
Yes. You know, when we sell the website, it's a big price upfront to build it, But also we have this subscription model, and Brizy offers this option. You can put the subscription whatever you want for your clients and offer whatever you want. In WordPress, you definitely have to work at least once a month to update the WordPress plugins and don't break anything. And if sometimes it breaks when you update it, and you need to fix it, and problems with client, with WordPress, and so on. A lot of work. Guy who will manage in WordPress 10 websites, with Brizy Cloud he can manage 100 websites easily.
Which type of projects do you have, let's say bigger ones, and if you can build with Brizy more complex websites?
Let's start with some bigger projects we built it. For our governments and for our government agency, we built a big website and important one for migration office in our country. And you can imagine a lot of people coming from all around the world. They need to have a good informative website, and they have a lot of information there, and you need to structure everything, and you need to make it accessible, and you need to do it according to government's rules. And we have one with specific design. So a client comes and he needs a business card, let's say, like very design-oriented website for all the wineries in our country. And in our countries, wineries are a big deal. And we built it a complex design, very nice one on Brizy with all these, let's say, mega menu, languages, styling, some landing page inside of the page. So everything was possible and easy to do, and also client was very happy. So you can do a complex website, and you can imagine speed is very important. You can imagine how many visitors this website has. You can have it on Brizy Cloud. We can have it on WordPress. Because we needed custom code, we needed some apply to some rules. For these big projects, we used WordPress, Brizy WordPress, and we had speed, we had SEO, we had compliance with everything. We can manage everything needed for this type of projects.
Yeah, we want to improve APIs for agency, and we started to offer this for SaaS companies who can integrate Brizy white label on their platform and upsell for their clients. Do you use white label or use Brizy branded?
We want to sell to high-end clients, but to sell to these clients and charge this amount, you need custom. You cannot show them other builders. You need to show this is your tool. You are in control of this. And Brizy white label, it's offering this, and it offers even more. It offers you special support, special relationship with Brizy team and developers and so on. So you have all the assistance, and it's a dream for agency. And I'm recommending this for agency who want to grow, who want to sell on high end and to build their themes, because we're on that point. We're building our custom themes for clients. We are specialized for this kind of industries, and we are experts in these industries. We needed to build some themes, optimize these processes, and now in white label you can do this. You can have all the thing ready, and you can sell to high end, but also you can sell as your builder, as your theme, as your industry. You are specialized in this, and it's very powerful to go to the next level as an agency.
What will be your advice for other agencies, maybe who start or who think to find better tools for their business?
My suggestion is, if you consider Brizy, you should subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is what we did it. Click that notification bell, because our agency is depending on Brizy, and when you launch a new tool, you use something, some ideas, you bring up with some ideas how to use the forms, how to connect this one. Every information you are providing, every feature you are providing, because you are ahead of your competitors and many things, we get inspired. Me as an owner, I'm getting inspired how to sell or how to find a solution for my clients. And when you are providing some tools, I'm looking and I get inspired from one of the video, 5 minutes to 1 minute you are offering, and I know what to sell to my client. I may test it, or I may give to this video to my developer, hey, look, I need you to know how to do this in Brizy. And some of my key employees were following Brizy channel, YouTube channel, and they're up to date with all the technology you are providing, this AI tool, this everything. Because, as I said, we are thrilled and happy to be dependent on this tool you are innovating, and we want to know how to use it. And this will help the agencies for sure. They'll help to boost profitability, boost speed to develop, and inspire. As we talk right now, I think some of agency owners, especially in beginners who want to launch and grow, will get inspired and encouraged to use this tool to build a website for their client and charge good money for the work, because now what we need to sell is our creative experience.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Nicolai.
Thank you for providing this tool.